What's good, Morts? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to save a project in FL Studio. And yeah, like, say you're in the middle of making a melody, you got to go somewhere or something, like I was with this. Just go to File, Save As, ideally, and then choose the name of the project. So we'll call this AAA2. It's in the download folder, 1, 2, sure. Now if I go to my download folder, we should see it there. And if you just click this, double click it, or right click, open or whatever, it's gonna load exactly what you see here. That's it. That's how you save a file in FL Studio. Now, before we go, check out our music producer starter kit. Odds are if you're watching this video, you're fairly new to music production, or at least FL Studio. We got plenty of resources here, from tutorials to our ideas for our consensus on MIDI keyboards. Have over 10 years experience with music production, so this is to really get you up to speed, get you further than where we were, in the same time frame. Yeah, check that link out in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if there's any more topics you want me to cover, and take care.